But even though your pictures have begun to fade, please tell me should I ring and that you will really come home to stay. Sometimes I wake up crying at night. Sometimes I scream out your name. She had to take her heart away for so long. I can give you 2 good reasons why your love's not mine. He's still when he's gone, and you know they adore you. So how can I tell them to change your mind? Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. Why does she have to take her heart away when for so long you were mine? I remember when you were mine. Thank you.